Hello guys, welcome here. It's the tutorial of a very easy crochet pattern. It is kind for beginners, suitable for hairband or scarf. Let's begin now. Use any kind of yarn you've, just choose a suitable hook for it. Chain 10 first. Back and pull yarn one by one. There are 10 loops on the hook. That's the first row. Pull yarn through the first loop. Next, pull yarn through 2 loops per time. Next, the third row. Please watch carefully where to insert the hook. The back side is like that. Pull yarn. Repeat to the end. It's the third row. Here's 10 loops on the hook. Next, the fourth row. Same as the second row. Pull yarn through the first loop. Next, pull yarn through 2 loops per time. Next, the fifth row. Same with the third row. If you want it wider, just increase the stitches at the beginning. Thanks for your company.